Miami Heat coach Erik Spoelstra said Monday the NBA still is going through assessments about the team's December 9 game in Mexico City in the wake of the recent earthquake that ravaged parts of the country. "We just sent some personnel over there before the earthquake," Spoelstra said at the Heat's media day Monday at American Airlines Arena. "We'll be sending more personnel over there to check on everything now. And the NBA will be doing all of that, of course." The Heat are scheduled to play the Brooklyn Nets in the second of consecutive games for the Nets in Mexico City. "The NBA," Spoelstra said, "will not put us in the situation where we'd be in danger unnecessarily. But our hearts go out to the folks in Mexico City. It's horrific to see that. You can't predict it. And when you see it on the news, you can even believe it's real. So our hearts go out to them, and hopefully we can do some outreach while we're out there and make somebody's life better while we're there." NBA Mexico Vice President and Managing Director Raul Zaraga last week issued a statement that said, "First and foremost, our thoughts are with the people of Mexico during this difficult time. We have been in touch with arena officials, and we're told the building was not damaged by the earthquake. At this time our plan is to have NBA Mexico City Games 2017 in December as scheduled." Asked if he believed the game would be played as scheduled, Spoelstra said, "I don't know. Our game with Brooklyn will be played. Where that is I don't know yet. I don't think the league knows yet." Caption iWinderman at sunsentinel.com. Follow him at twitter.com or Facebook.com/Winderman for daily Heat mailbag. Go to sunsentinel.com. Askira.